All right, so we need to use the angle scribes here to get our points around this column. Our column isn't exactly square with our pattern, so we're going to use the angle scribes because they're going to help us get that angle. So push that up against there, and then we'll find our angle. All right, nice and tight. We'll tighten this knob up. And now I just need to put this in the same position on the block as I am here. Now, the sleeve comes down. It's going to cover this little gap here. And we have to make a horseshoe piece, so we have to actually come to this side of it as well. So we're going to leave this spot open because we're going to need a horseshoe somewhere. And we're going to come over to our product. We'll place it on here, and we're going to line it up in the same position that we had it on that block, which is even with this. Okay, and now I can make that mark. So now that's that mark there. I'm going to come over to here on this side now, and I'm going to put it to this corner of the block. I'm going to extend this out. I can find this angle. All right, once I find that angle, I'll tighten this piece back up. I'm going to come over to my product, and again, I'm going to line it up with that corner because that's where I got that corner piece from, and I'm going to make my mark. Now, I do need to continue those marks here, so I can do so either with this. I can use a level, but might as well use the same tool if possible. I'll make that mark there. And then I have to get the piece along the back. We can put this along the back side of here. Okay. And now I can go off of this point up top here. This might be just a little bit tricky because I don't have an exact point to hit here. And tighten that up. I'll find that angle there. Now I'm off of this point here. All right. And I can make this mark. So now I can double check. I can do just a quick check on my math to make sure. Okay, should be roughly 2. That's perfect. It's going to give us a nice 1/8 inch gap. And it's going to give us an 1/8 inch gap because this here measures 1/8 of an inch here. Check here. Perfect. There's 7 1/4. 7 1/4. Perfect. So that's exactly what we need. We're gonna go get this cut. We'll bring it back and see how it looks. Alrighty.
First try, like a glove.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.